Vlogmas, baby.
Fans. You know, people say they watch Nathalie, they're really watching for me. Here we are at the ramen spot, grabbing some afternoon ramen. It is 3:54. Gotta go eat it at my apartment, maybe go ice skating, and then go from there.
It's so funny that you're not embarrassed.
Vlogmas, baby.
Alright, so welcome to another Vlogmas day. Today I am bringing along Eric.
Eric, my name's Eric, for those of you who don't know. Pretty sure everyone knows at this point though. We are grabbing some food, about to go eat it, then go ice skating.
Eric told me yesterday, he's like, oh, let's wake up early and do so many things today, and it's 4.
Okay, question though. So, woke up at like 11, watched some TV, got out of bed at like 1. How long did it take you to get ready, and how many outfits did we try on? How many outfits?
It took me like 30 minutes to get ready. Do my makeup, find an outfit. Thank you. You guys, we just saw Santa.
I think it was the real Santa, the one and only.
The one and only from North Pole. First time having ramen ever.
Aren't you excited for Vlogmas, Walsh?
For what?
Vlogmas?
Vlogmas?
Oh yeah.
The most wonderful time of the year.
We get to vlog.
You guys
every
are
day.
so annoying. Do you know what that is?
I can put 2 and 2 together. My guess is that you just have to vlog a lot around Christmas time, and you vlog about like the holidays and your shopping and stuff.
Genius.
Yep.
Look like those Asian girls in the videos where like,
Oh my god.
ASMR.
Oh wait, but Michael loves those
Walsh, wanna
videos.
come listen to us eat?
What? No, I don't like those mukbang videos or whatever they're called.
You don't?
Yes,
No.
you do. Shut
But
up.
you like the AMSMR, which is
Yeah,
like,
I like the regular ASMR.
Stop.
I like the up close eating.
or like,
Stop making weird noises. You're making me not want to eat.
solution to when you don't have a lint roller home. Let's go. So we're going ice skating. That was
Didn't fall. Actually made it out clean.
really fun. so we actually made it to the Oculus underground, and they have these super cute little shops. New York is my boyfriend.
You know who you are. So I'm finally home from a weekend in the city. I was staying over at Eric's apartment, but right now I have to clean this apartment because, again, it's a mess. I'm having people over tonight for Miss Universe, which is why I went to Whole Foods to get all of those cheeses and basically a cheese board essentials. I also went to my local supermarket, so I'll show you guys everything I got since I've been getting so many questions to share what I get when I go to the supermarket. So let's show you. All right, so this is everything I got from Whole Foods. Not a lot. I basically just got the essentials for the cheese board. I got blackberries, raspberries, and these little Baby Bell cheese, which I love, especially in the morning. Black pepper salami to put in the cheese board. For cheese, I only got these three, so I got brie, Gouda, and the pepper jack cheese. And then I also got these uncured salamis to decorate or place. This is my favorite bread ever. It's what I have every single morning. I have it either as an avocado toast or just regular with butter. And for those wondering, I do put these in the freezer just because I feel like they get more crunchy when you toast them. And I love it. So this one is sourdough. These were the crackers I got for the cheese plate. I also got these cheese sticks, which I love. Some pistachio, and 4 pomegranates. These are my favorite. I love that they're in season right now, and they're only $2.99 at Whole Foods, so love that. Now, from the supermarket, this is not all that I get. It's basically all I need tonight, and also maybe for like the beginning of the week, but I do have to go back for cilantro and my regular chicken that I like to make. So I got some tomato sauce from Goya, rosemary to decorate the cheese plate, platanos, lime, these little mozzarella, tomato, basil, butter, grapes, milk. Yes, whole milk. I know so many people are gonna be like, oh my god, you drink whole milk. To be honest, I only got it to possibly make pancakes, but we'll see. I got 4 avocados, eggs, malta, these little marshmallows to make hot cocoa, ground chicken for pastelitos tonight, mango chunks for smoothies, and a cabbage, and then Coke. But yeah, that was basically my trip today. All right, so that was pretty much it for today's vlog. I'm not going to vlog too much today since tonight I am filming the reaction for Miss Universe. That should be up next. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this super all over the place vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.